他是属马的嘛，然后今天正好是他本命年，然后我们就定着就是初2就过来了，然后正好看完烟花，然后今天正好是马场就是有赛马元素嘛，也正好过来玩。
Oh, it's very exciting to be here, and we just went upstairs and saw the races. The race course track in Germany are much smaller, so it's like everywhere in China, everything's much bigger. So so we've been here now. We're going to be here for 6 days, and then we're going to mainland China.
因為咧賽馬係香港一個好盛大嘅活動嚟嘅，尤其是喺咧每年年初3咧，呢個咧係大部分香港人都會嚟玩嘅。今年起碼比舊年多好多嚇，比以前更加多。可能今年咧就國內嘅同胞落嚟比較多啲啦，所以今年係好熱鬧，非常之熱鬧。